File the case in court.
Mr. Chair.
Walang problema. Nandiyan din ang korte.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Second question ko. Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr. Chair,
yes or no?
tinatanong ko lang naman.
Yes.
Point of
Session
order.
suspended.
Lang po ng tanong ko. Tinatanong ko lang po kung yes or no, Davao style ba yung inyong modelo. Mr. Chair, ayaw niya sagutin. So, Mr. Chair, hindi ko maintindihan yon.
I'm
What
sorry,
is your personality, Your Honor?
Your Honor. My point is, Your Honor, to allow this resource person to finish his answer.
Okay, we will do that. Thank you, Attorney Bello.
Expound, Mr. Chair. Ang tinatanong ko lang, sa particular question na yun, maaari naman siyang sagutin ng yes or no. And then the explanation, Mr. Chair.
Opo. Mr.
Kung, Your Honor, this is not an inquisition. It's a democratic process of investigation.
Okay, thank you, Mr. President. Sana po, the questions very clear para ho masagot po ng yes or no. Congresswoman Brosas.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, tanong ko, sinasabi nyo rin na ang war utos nyo. Diba? Pag sinabing war on sa inyo, na nadikit yan. Unless, eto po, tanong na pwede nyo i-expound. May iba kayong gustong itawag doon? Meron po ba kayong gustong ibang itawag doon?
Wala na po. Sabi ko, I assume full responsibility for whatever happened in the actions taken by the law enforcement agencies of this country.
Nung naging mayor po kayo, sabi nyo naging safe ang Davao. Tama po ba?
That would be that should be answered by a third person. I would not be answering that. It would be presumptuous of me to conclude. Hindi ako magsabi. I never said that Davao City was not publicly.
Mr. Chair, as mayor, masasabi nyo na naging safe ang Davao sa panahon nyo?
Talaga.
Kasi walang kriminal sa kalye,
Talaga.
walang snatcher,
Walang sinadya.
walang akyat bahay,
Walang akyat bahay.
walang magnanakaw,
Walang magnanakaw.
walang mamamatay tao.
Walang mamatay tao.
So yun po lahat, yes.
Oh.
So walang mga kriminal o walang insidente ng kriminalidad, bakit po?
Merong mga incident, not totally. It could be a dream of a city not to have any criminal incidents or violence. Pero overall, Davao City was safe. If the test or standard would be that a citizen of the city can walk all over the city and men and children can go home safely, unmolested, undisturbed. That was the standard that I gave to the police of Davao City.
To ask, no? Hindi ba nagkandamatay sila sa panahon na yon?
Marami po.
Sino-sino po ang mga pumatay?
Wala akong listahan yan, ma'am. We have to go to the... Tawag nito. Hindi ko pinpin. Pinpin ko lang ho yung...
Mr. Chair, I would like to ask again, no? Sa inyo po, na karanasan, Kayo mismo ba pumatay?
Ako, marami. Mga 6 o 7.
So
Ewan
what,
ko kung natuluyan yung, hindi ko na follow up sa ospital kung natuluyan.
code ko lang ipaalala ko ulit, Mr. Chair, kasi mula din ito sa Senate hearings, ano. I-code ko lang po kayo, in Davao, I used to do it personally, just to show to the guys that if I can do it, why can't you?
Correct.
Sinabi niyo po yan sa mga business leaders sa meeting sa Manila. At kung paano niyo ginode ang mga police officers to gun down suspects. Tama po ba?
Yes, if they present a violent resistance, that's the only thing that you can kill the criminal if you are personally in danger of losing your life too.
Ito
But
ba?
hindi mo pwedeng patayin yung kriminal, naghandcuff o nakatali. Hindi trabaho ng lalaki yan.
Ito pong second, Mr. Chair, na code. Kayo rin ito. And I'd go around in Davao with a motorcycle, with a big bike around. And I would just patrol the streets, looking for trouble also. Manila Times po ito. I was really looking for a confrontation so I could kill. Sinabi niyo po.
Yes. Nagdadasal po ako na nagmumotor ako na may mag-hold upper dyan. At kung maabutan kita, talagang patayin kita. At kung basta kriminal ka, wala akong pasensya sa kriminal. Pagka lumaban, patayan.
So, Mr. Chair, kanina po kasi sinabi ni Duterte na he takes full legal responsibility. Siya
Yes.
ang mananagot at
Yes.
makukulong sa ginawa ng mga kapulisan.
Yes.